Today we're going to talk about creating self-grading quizzes using Google Forms. What I've done here is created a quiz. If you look, I've got a title up here, then I've got a section title with directions, and then I've got a map that I've inserted, which is an image file. Then I've got 5 questions in this section here, and then they can go on to the next section, which is section 2. I've got true or false with short directions. All you're going to do here is check the box, and the final set is multiple choice. And with these multiple choice, you can have multiple. You can always use other and have a student type in a response there as well if you choose that option. So this is what this looks like. If we go here, this is what the students see, and I've got this set to automatically collect the login information, and you can set this up so they can only submit one response. And if you see the little red asterisk next to the question, it means it's required. They can't go on to the next section or submit the quiz until those are all filled out. So if I were to go to the next section, I'll show you how to do this. So I'm just going to choose my answers here. And let's say I try to go ahead and submit. It tells me I have to fill out this question. So I've gone ahead and done that, and I hit next. And then I go on to my next section, which is section 2 here. And I need to answer my questions. And I've got true, 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 false, false. Let's go ahead and change that one to true. And then I'm just going to guess on these. I know this is paella, but we're going to go with that. Miro for submit. Okay. Okay, so I've submitted my stuff. That's what I did. Now if I go here, this is the first response. Typically this is going to be your response that you use to set up as the key. Okay. Right here, once you've got this done, we want to go to here, and we want to go to Get Add-ons, and we want to use Flubaroo, and we want to add it. It says it wants to use these things. Yes, allow. Okay, and we can do these things right here. We go Flubaroo, and we hit Grade Assignment. And you want to go through and double check these. We'll hit skip grading there. And right here we want normal grading for these questions. And we're giving them all 1 point value. If you look, you can choose up to 10 points. We hit continue. Now it's going to say which one do you want to act as the answer key. I'm going to choose Miss Montanez because, well, she's the Spanish teacher and it's her quiz, so I'm figuring that she got everything right. Typically this will be you. You'll fill out the quiz response first, but let's say you go ahead and set it up, record responses, and you ran out of time. You can always choose your name later to grade against. You hit continue, and it shows me the grading in progress here. Okay, it says the grading's complete. So if I look here, out of the total points, I got 13. This one's not a graded question. So if we look here, I missed that one. Is a flat country. Oops. What else did I miss? I missed this one here. So when we get to this point, what it's going to do is it will, at the bottom of the area, after all have been submitted, you can do item analysis. So you can look and see which items here have been done. I'll go in more detail here in another video about how to actually create the quiz. But this is more about setting up the quiz itself and how to grade the quiz.